Introduction to Memrise's free features.
Memrise is a popular language learning platform that offers a wealth of free tools to help you expand your vocabulary and comprehension. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, Memrise's free features provide interactive lessons, real-life language examples, and engaging practice activities, all at no cost.
Learning with Memrise Courses.
One of the best free features is access to official and community-created language courses. You can choose from dozens of languages and topics, each designed to introduce useful words and phrases. Courses use repetition and visual aids to help you memorize new vocabulary and reinforce learning over time.
Multimedia flashcards and audio.
Memrise's multimedia flashcards combine words, audio from native speakers, and images to create a dynamic learning experience. Listening to native pronunciation helps you develop correct accents and listening skills. Images build strong associations, making memorization easier and more fun.
Daily practice and review modes.
The free version offers daily practice reminders and personalized review sessions. These tools encourage you to study regularly and reinforce what you've already learned. Smart review modes use spaced repetition, helping important vocabulary stick in your long-term memory.
Language practice with real-life phrases.
Memrise includes lessons focused on everyday conversation and authentic phrases used by native speakers. You'll encounter natural language in context, preparing you for real-world interactions. This exposure builds confidence and improves your ability to understand and use the language naturally.
Conclusion: making the most of Memrise for free.
With these free features, courses, multimedia flashcards, review modes, and real-life language practice, Memrise offers a robust toolkit for language learners. Take advantage of these resources to boost your vocabulary, listening skills, and overall understanding, all without spending a dime.